Hello everyone, welcome back to another video blog today. So today I'd like to discuss regarding my carrier, or you can say backrest for Meteor 350. So this backrest is actually not a Meteor one, it's Thunderbird 350X. So only thing is I modified this for my according to my convenient way. So first thing is what modification I have done is, so you can see this one, this part, this complete plate, what you can say, it was supposed to be somewhere here. So it was supposed to be here, but cause so when you fix this one here, so it won't be have a comfort, or you won't get enough of space for the pillion OSAT. So for this I changed this one to here. Then the four sides of the fittings. So for Thunderbird we used to get it as an horizontal, like the other way around, which I'll show you in the picture. So and rest all will be same. Only thing is, so when you fix this, so you'll get a kind of shade, or a marks over here, like as you will be fixing it. But make sure you use the washers for both the sides, like inside and as well as outside, so that this Allen key or the screw it fix properly. So this is how it is like. So you can see backside screws, they fix well because they are not so lengthy even, but whereas the front side it's quite lengthy, wherein you may find like kind of awkwardness. But I never faced any issue when the pillion sits, like ties are getting stick to this or something like that. Now when it comes to the backrest, this one, so very soon I'm planning to change this one with the Meteor backrest only, this cushion one. So after lockdown I will do this soon. So once the lockdown releases in Bangalore, I'm planning for that actually. So because this it's somewhat bulky, so I felt like that. So for more queries or anything related to this, you can pinch me. And so completely it was done by fixed, everything was done by me and my dad with the help of a fabricator. So for fabrication it costed me around 100 or 150. Then for this complete set it costed us around 1800 rupees in JC Road. So address I'll post it in the description box. So if you are in Bangalore, you can visit the shop. And I got a black paint for this, which costed me around 200 rupees. So roughly all together somewhere around 2200 to 2350 I got this one. So that's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.